And a big breaking news coming in at the top of this hour. There was a chaos at the Congress headquarters at what we have been given to understand, which is Indira Bhavan, during the review meeting on Bihar's election defeat. Vaishali candidate Sanjeev Singh allegedly threatened to shoot the fellow leaders. According to sources, a heated exchange broke out between Sanjeev Singh, Vaishali candidate, and Jitendra Kumar, the Purnia candidate, close to Pappu Yadav. The argument escalated into loud verbal clashes and also abuses. Sanjeev Singh reportedly openly threatened that the party had given tickets to outsiders, which he strongly opposed. When the Purnia candidate objected to these remarks, Sanjeev Singh allegedly threatened to quote-unquote shoot him in the face. This triggered a major uproar inside the meeting hall. All of this took place before Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, who arrived for the session. As soon as both the leaders were informed about the incident, they reacted sharply, warning Sanjeev Singh and those who were supporting him. They stated firmly that people may come and go in the party, but such indiscipline will not be tolerated under any circumstances. So that's a big breaking news coming in straight from Indira Bhavan, which is Congress headquarters, about a chaos that broke out inside the premises during the review meeting on Bihar's election defeat. We've been given to understand that Vaishali candidate Sanjeev Singh allegedly threatened to shoot the other person on his face when there was some sort of disagreement between them. This heated exchange broke out between Sanjeev Singh and Jitendra Kumar. Sanjeev Singh is Vaishali candidate and Jitendra Kumar is Purnia candidate, who is close to Pappu Yadav. This argument escalated into loud verbal clashes and abuses witnessed by a lot of people who were present in the premises. My colleague Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary joining us here live on the broadcast to provide us more context. Sabyasachi, please enlighten us with what exactly transpired there. What kind of disagreement was there that one leader, led to threaten the other person to shoot him in the face?
See, yesterday the Congress High Command had called for a review meeting as far as the Bihar poll is concerned to see what went wrong for the Congress party. Now, in this meeting, the leaders who contested the polls in the state of Bihar were present along with the state in charge, and Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge was also present. Now, before Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi came for the meeting, the leaders were sitting in the conference room at the Congress headquarters here in the national capital. And now at that particular time, the Vaishali candidate for the Congress party, Sanjeev Singh, in fact stated that there was manipulation as far as ticket distribution is concerned, and the tickets were given to the outsiders. Now, not only Sanjeev Singh, but there were other leaders who said that there was very wrong that was done as far as the ticket distribution is concerned, and large amount of money was being given for the tickets. Now, after that, there was a few leaders like Mr. Jitendra Kumar, who was the Congress candidate from Purnia, and apparently he is very close to Mr. Pappu Yadav. Now, he objected, along with him several other leaders who were present in the meeting. They also objected. Now, that clearly irked Mr. Sanjeev Singh, who is the candidate from the Vaishali, and he threatened that goli maar dunga, I'll shoot on your face. Now, after that, there was chaos, there was uproar, there was verbal abuse that had been going on inside the conference room at the Indira Bhavan here in the national capital. Now, after that, when Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge came for the meeting, the party leaders who were present in that meeting, they informed them about the current situation that unfolded at the Indira Bhavan. Now, taking into consideration what happened, both Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, as well as Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, they clearly issued a stern warning to Sanjeev Singh, who's the candidate from Vaishali, stating that people may come and go in the Congress party, but such kind of behavior will not be tolerated under any given circumstances. So a strong warning has been given to Mr. Sanjeev Singh for his behavior. But what is important to note, Sakshi, is that even after the meeting got over, there were a lot of the leaders who came out and expressed that we have told everything to Mr. Rahul Gandhi and to Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge what really went wrong for the Congress party as far as the Bihar poll is concerned. But all of them clearly told that there was a lot of manipulation when it comes to the ticket distribution, election, as a lot of money was being taken to give ticket to the candidate, and most of the ticket was given to outsiders. So this kind of allegation was seen from a lot of leaders who were present out there, but absolutely a dramatic situation unfolding inside the Indira Bhavan yesterday, where one of the candidate of the Congress party threatening another candidate that I'll shoot you on your face. So clearly the Congress party is yet to take any action. Whether they would initiate any action against Sanjeev Singh is yet to be known, but Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge have acknowledged what had happened at Indira Bhavan, and they have issued a stern warning that under any given circumstances such behavior will not be tolerated.
All right, Sabyasachi, please stay with me. We have a reaction coming in from BJP's camp over the same as well. Let's listen in.
फिर से एक बार राहुल गांधी के वोट चोरी नैरेटिव को कांग्रेस ने ही ध्वस्त कर दिया। कांग्रेस के विधायक और बिहार के नेता ने फिर से बाहर आकर कहा कि वोट चोरी नहीं, टिकट चोरी हुई है, और उसमें कांग्रेस के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष बिहार के इंचार्ज इन लोगों ने टिकट बेची, इन फाइटिंग हुआ। ये कोई पहले नेता नहीं है। तारिक अनवर, शकील अहमद, मुमताज पटेल, अफाक आलम, तमाम कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने कहा कि वोट चोरी नहीं, ये टिकट चोरी का मामला है, ये हमारी कमजोरी का मामला है। समीक्षा बैठक में तो बताया जाता है कांग्रेस की जूते चप्पल भी चले, गाली गलौज भी हुई। आज भी कांग्रेस वर्सेस कांग्रेस चल रहा है। तो कांग्रेस हारती है अपने कारणों से, पर दोष देती है इलेक्शन कमीशन और एसआईआर को, वोट चोरी को। अब तो कुमार केतकर और कांग्रेस के नेता जो है वो तो इंटरनेशनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी भी बता रहे हैं। मतलब ताउम्र कांग्रेस यही करती रही, धूल चेहरे पर थी, कांग्रेस आईना साफ करती रही। दोष बेटा में है, कांग्रेस डेटा को दोष दे रही है। तो कांग्रेस पार्टी कब ये रियलिटी चेक अपनाएगी और अपने डिलुलू से बाहर आएगी? जब तक डिलुलू से बाहर नहीं आएंगे तो कोई सोलुलू नहीं मिलने वाला, कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलने वाला।
And now moving on, BJP workers staged a protest against Rahul Mamkutatthil in Palakkad. This comes after a woman submitted a sexual harassment complaint against suspended Congress MLA Rahul to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Now BJP leader here, Muralidharan, said that the Rahul should resign from the post. Let's listen into what the BJP's reaction has been on this.
Sexual harassment complaint that has been filed against the Congress MLA Mr. Rahul Mamkutatthil is a very serious issue. Perhaps this is the first time that in Kerala an MLA is facing such a allegation. Bharatiya Janata Party has been demanding earlier also that when the issue came up, Rahul should be asked to resign. But Congress has been trying to protect him all these days, and they were trying to confuse the people and the general public by saying that we have expelled him from the legislature party. But he continues to be a member of the Congress party, and he continues to be a member of the Legislative Assembly.